Good day everyone, my name is Brother Lorenzo Maria Cyrus Jan Eligarco MMHC, a Persian theologian of the Marian Missionaries of the Holy Cross, an alumnus of the Cainta Catholic College, and I do belong to the batch of school year 2012-2013 graduates. During my high school days, I believed that the values and the religious formation that I received as a student of CCC were the stepping stones for me to realize that I have this religious vocation. Actually, it's in the YMC, or the Youth for Marian Christ, one of the parish organizations in our school, where I first encountered and realized that I have this religious vocation. At first talaga, it's just for the sake of grade kung bakit ako sumali sa parish organization na ito. Yun yung una kong dahilan. But, however, nung dumaon, this parish organization made me see the beauty and the sense of fulfillment of serving God. And in addition to that, yung guidance din ng mga tao sa paligid ko during that time ay naging malaking factor kung bakit ko sinubukang mag-try sa vocation na ito. Nandyan yung mga teachers ko, yung mga classmates ko, yung mga friends ko. And of course, si Father Blaise Maria Garcia MMHC, our school chaplain during those time, ay isa sa may pinakamalaking role kung bakit ko sinubukan ang bukasyon na ito. Malaking tulong din sa akin syempre yung mga recollections and retreats na experience ko since first year hanggang 4th year. Kasi during those recollections and retreats, doon ako nagkaroon ng heart-to-heart conversation with God. Indeed, as I recall my vocation story, I realized that God surrounded me and put me in a situation with good people, and God really put me in a perfect environment during that time. Kaya nga lagi ko tinatanong sa sarili ko, kung hindi ba ako sa CCC nag-aral, nagkaroon ba ako ng idea about sa seminaryo? Kung hindi ba ako sa CCC nag-aral, pumasok kaya ako ng seminaryo? Indeed, I believe that my alma mater, the Cainta Catholic College, is one of God's instruments for me to be where I am right now. And I will always be grateful and thankful to Cainta Catholic College for those experiences and for those people who helped me to find my vocation. Once again, I am Brother Lorenzo Maria Cyrus Jan Eligarco MMHC, and I'm proud to be a CCC. God bless you.